What's up guys, SuperMalcom here and welcome to 50 House Dance Steps, a 13-week program where I'm going to teach you steps, variation, concept, and how you can make it your own freestyle. You ready? Hey, what's up guys, SuperMalcom here and welcome to the 13-week program. What you're gonna learn is very simple. You're gonna learn 50 house dance steps, but not only that, you're also gonna learn how to use those steps within different variations, all right? And what I want you to remember from this program is not just learning steps. The steps is just for you to have kind of a foundation, but what we're gonna work on is how to develop those steps and how to come up with variation. So first I'm gonna show you the variation, but also what I'm gonna teach you is how to come up with those variations. And this is gonna be based on two simple concepts that I call dimensional concept and transitional concept. Both of them include 5 elements. So the dimensional concept includes 5 elements. The transitional concept, which is a bit more complicated, also includes 5 elements. And within those concepts, what's gonna happen is we're gonna take one step and then we're gonna use one of those elements to create a variation, all right? So just remember, steps are important, but what's more important, what I really want you to remember is not the steps, but it's also how to come up with those variations, all right? So one thing that you have to do within this program is every single week, you're gonna learn steps and variation, but you're also gonna have time to practice those steps. It's very important for you to take time and practice every single steps, right? So don't try to jump forward and skip steps and skip like all the different exercises I'm gonna give you, because at the end of it, it's gonna become overwhelming, all right? So remember, the idea is for you at the end to be able to freestyle and make it your own, all right? So don't skip lesson. Every single day, I'm gonna give you one step, I'm gonna give you a variation, and at the end of the week, you're gonna have time to practice and apply it and kind of make it your own, all right? So remember that. You guys ready? We're gonna start with the 2 very simple concepts. I will see you in the next video.